Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to convert from one currency to the other. You want to travel abroad and you have some certain amount of naira and you want to know the value in dollars if you're going to the United States of America. And if you're going to UK, you want to know the value of your naira in pounds. If you're going to Dubai, you want to know the value of your naira in the currency of Dubai. So virtually every currency that you have in the world, you can actually know the value of the naira equivalent of that amount. And you can do that very simply when you get to Google. Just type in Google, www.google.com. Just be on the Google website, just the way I am now. Very simply, if you want to go from dollars to naira, just type in dollars to naira. You can see as you're typing, it's coming out. Dollars to naira, you see, it's out. So once it's out like this, you can put how many dollar you want to give you the value in naira. You can put the naira value here and you get the dollar. So $1 gives you 359 naira. That's the current exchange rate. So if you have $10, how many naira is it? You can see $10 is actually 3,595 naira. So if somebody tells you that he's giving you $30, what's the value? It's 10,787. And if you want to go from naira to dollar, simply type in naira to dollars. Today you can see it here, or just naira to dollars. Still does the same thing. So the same thing. So 1 naira, how many dollars is it? You can see 1 naira is equivalent to 0.0028 naira. So if I had 1,000 naira or 10,000 naira, how many dollars is it? It's just simply $27.81 dollars. So if I had 150,000, it's actually $417.15 dollars. So that's how you convert. Same thing to pounds. If you just type pounds here instead of dollar, you convert to pounds or any other currency that you want. So Google provides this, and it's a very simple way of doing it. It's actually supplied by this website, www.tclassified.com, for currency conversion. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button at this side of the video, like and share it. Thank you, and God bless you.